Here, give him another piece. Perfectly good bread there and there.
Here's a bread.
Here's a bread.
Oh,
Nope.
Too close.
No bread.
Here's another bread.
Here's a bread. Does not want the bread. All the bread around him. There's all the bread
Ham?
around him.
Ham?
And the piece de resistance. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. That's what he wants.
No.
Never mind the bread.
Oh. Yeah.
This bird, he's a turkey
Eater.
eating bird.
Look at him. And he's like eyeballing that piece under the chair. Look, he's like, huh? You gonna move? You give me that? Wow.
He seriously does not want the bread.